Hello everyone. In the previous videos, we learned about Tradetron, the marketplace, and we also created two different strategies. One strategy on list, another on options. And in today's video, we're going to learn how you can make these strategies, public or publish it in the marketplace. So to do that, what all you need to do is go to my strategy page. Let's say if you want to make test strategy public, just click on edit, scroll down at the bottom, and here you get the marketplace setting. So this is everything that is related to publishing a strategy in the marketplace. Now, one thing to notice, you need to be on the creator or the creator plus plan to publish a strategy in the marketplace. But let's say if you want to, just share one strategy with your friends or family with a private link, a retail plus plan will also do. So there are two essential ways to make a strategy public. To make the strategy public, first the basic thing is just select the yes option. And here you get the two options: subscribers with private link, yes, or publish to marketplace. Now let's say we want to publish it as a private link. So just click on update here. Now what we have essentially done is our strategy test is public with a private link. Now what is this private link? Now if you go to my strategies and click on the strategy name which we just made public, the URL at the top, this URL that you can see the mouse scrolling over it, is the private link. So whoever has this link will get a subscribe button. So let's try it out. I'll open a new incognito tab and I'll just paste the link, and as you can see you get the subscribe button. Just close the tab. So that's all you need to do to make a strategy public with a private link. Now let's click on edit. Now similarly, if you want to publish it in the marketplace, you can just click on the publish to marketplace option. That's all. Now for this example, we're going to keep it as private link. Now you can see that in the next option we have something called as monthly fixed fee and a variable fee. Now fixed fee is basically, let's say you have a strategy, let's say the stress strategy itself. Now you want to share it to your friends, but you want to charge them for it. So what you can do is you can make it like, let's say 100 rupees. So anyone who wants to subscribe to your strategy has to pay 100 rupees upfront, irrespective of the profit or loss it is going to make. Now variable fee is essentially based on the profits only. So if your strategy, let's say, makes 1000 rupees in a month, you as a creator can invoice the user or the person who deployed the strategy for 10% of the profits. So essentially you will be getting 100 rupees. Essentially you will be invoicing them for 100 rupees worth of percentage. Yeah. So as you can see, two fees, it's very simple. And if you have doubts anywhere during this, all you need to do is you can click on the I button here, and you can see the the definition or the what it stands for. So most creators, what they can do is they can keep the fixed fee as 0, so that any user can try out your strategy for free, and you can always invoice them if it makes profit. Now another setting is the multiplier. So let's say you have created a strategy, let's say with one lot, as you can see, one lot. Now if depends on you to keep how much the subscriber can deploy it. If you keep it as 1x, the user can deploy it as 1x minimum, one lot. Or if based on the maximum, he can deploy, or he or she can deploy it at 100x or 100 lots. So it is up to different strategies. It is your preference. If you think that your strategy is working well at higher quantities as well, so you can keep it as max 100. Or if you think your strategy works best when low quantity is traded, you can keep it as 10. So you have a 5 lots range, minimum 5 lot and maximum 10 lots. Now invoice frequency for variable fee is basically, as I said, the 10%. You can, so basically here is the option on if you want to invoice the variable fee on a monthly basis or a quarterly basis or a bi-yearly basis. So that's all that is. And display positions to non-subscribers. So if you do want to show the positions or the strategy positions like the buy sell trades in the statistics of the strategy, you can keep it as no. If you keep it as yes, the position will be visible to everyone. Now recreate positions for all old and new subscriber. This option is currently inactive, so there is nothing much to go about it. allow others to duplicate a strategy. So now this is also an important part. Let's say you want to share your strategy and not invoice them essentially. So what you can do is you can just click on yes. So once you click on yes, let's click on update here. Instead, along with the subscribe button, they'll also get a duplicate button. So we'll try it out. So let's go to my strategies and click on the test strategy. Let's click on the URL. We'll open an incognito tab again, paste the strategy link, and as you can see, you get a deploy button or duplicate button. Yeah. So if you click on the duplicate button, the same strategy, a template will be copied into your account as well for free. So this is one way to share a strategy between your friends or family. And let's move on to the last options. So yeah, confirm each subscriber manually. So if you keep this as no, any user can directly subscribe to your strategy by clicking on the subscribe button, irrespective. Let's say if it's published on the marketplace, any user can search your strategy in the marketplace, and if they like it, they can click on the subscribe button. Now, instead, if you keep it as yes, if they click on the subscribe button, what you will get is you'll get an email. You'll get an email in your email registered in the Tradetron database, and in that email you'll get the approve button. So if you approve, then only they can subscribe. So we can try this out. So if you click on update here, we can again move to a new tab, paste the URL. Now as you can see, instead of the subscribe button, you're getting the send request button. So once you send request, you need to sign in to send request. So yeah, so that is all that is. And hide subscribers from others. So this option also means you cannot see who is subscribed to your strategy, or if you are a creator, do not want to show who are your subscribers. So for example, you can check the marketplace. Let's say index premium eto strategy. Here you cannot see any subscribers. Now let's take different strategy. Yeah, here you can see the subscribers, right? The list of subscribers. So that's all that is. So hope you are clear on all the options that is available to you in the marketplace settings. And that's about it. Stay tuned. Thank you.